It's rolling anyway, it's already.
Yeah.
Hello! Let's make some bread. And let's start with some sourdough starter. I made this video where I can show you how to start to create your own sourdough starter. And then we'll see, I'll try and make other videos about it.
You should dance while making bread.
I should dance, no I should not. So I hope you enjoy and I'll see you very soon. So let's start this sourdough starter recipe. So I'm going to give you the full recipe. I'm going to do the first step and then I'm going to write down everything else. So I have here 50-gram flour. Now I used bread flour. Actually I used like 25 grams of bread flour and 25 grams of rye flour. Because rye apparently is pretty good at attracting all the nice wild yeasts that we need. So 50-gram flour, 25-gram water. Flour, you can use also all-purpose plain flour, you can use wholemeal. The more you make the flour rich, so like rye for example and wholemeal, the more it's going to be good food for all kind of invisible creatures. This might be a little bit less predictable. I'm also using honey, and so it's 5 grams of honey. So 50 flour, 25 water, 5 grams honey. This is 50% hydration. So I'm gonna add water, I'm gonna add the honey, and then I'm gonna start mixing it. Now this is a 50% hydration, so at the beginning we're making it pretty stiff. Alright, let's see. Obviously depending on the flour you're using, the flour will absorb more or less water, so it's going to be different the way it reacts. Anyway, now I have kind of a mixture of stuff. I'm going to pour it down on the counter. And just because right now we want the flour to be exposed to the air and absorb all kind of flying creatures. So let's try and okay, it's pretty good. Okay, now I'm going to put this in a jar. So I'm using this jar and I'm going to just put this in here, and then I'm going to cover it with a piece of cloth, I guess, something that is porous, that have some, lets it breathe somehow. I'm going to use this. I'll use an elastic, and that's it. This pretty tough piece. I'm gonna leave it in a place that's warm enough, in a cozy corner in the kitchen, and leave it there for 48 hours. And then we'll see what happens in 48 hours.